Welcome to the Daybreak Model by Lennar. This model is featured in Lennar's active adult communities and offers 2,775 square feet. Upon entry and immediately to your left, you will find one of the 3 bedrooms. The really cool thing about this floor plan, all 3 bedrooms offer immense privacy. Here's our first one with its own ensuite, featuring water closet, large walk-in closet and walk-in shower, and completely private to this first bedroom. The entryway is nice, large, and inviting. Here you will see a very large dining room, which could also be used for any bonus space. Down this hallway, you have the half bath. Here you have a mud room with garage access, the laundry room to your left, another full bathroom adjacent to the second bedroom. This bedroom is unique as it could be used for the second bedroom, office space, or even a personal space that's attached to the primary suite. As you see here, that bedroom is attached to the primary ensuite that features separated dual vanities, a very large walk-in closet, separate water closet, soaking tub, and walk-in shower. And this will lead you to the primary bedroom. So as you can see, all 3 bedrooms offer privacy, separation, and their own private bath. Because remember, there was still a half bath that could be used for guests. Now we will enter into the living space. This beautiful model features a living room, kitchen, and eat-in kitchen area, all combined, with lots of natural living space and double sliding glass doors. The kitchen features an oversized island with great views into the living room, a nice little coffee bar, and a huge pantry that all attaches back to the dining room or bonus space, whatever you choose to use it for. Thank you for touring this beautiful Daybreak Model by Lennar, located in Lennar's active adult communities. If you have any additional questions, please reach out. We're happy to help.